ರೈಲು ಈಗ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ ತಲುಪಲಿದೆ.
Basavanagudi, Bangalore's timeless heart. Today we are going on a lazy day out, starting with Vidyarthi Bhavan. Breakfast here has been a ritual for generations. The aroma of filter coffee and masala dosa, conversation that have echoed through these walls for decades. Some places serve food, but this place serves memories. Right outside Vidyarthi Bhavan, Gandhi Bazaar wakes up on its own rhythm. Start the day early to visit both places by 6:30, post which the crowds are huge and getting seats become a challenge. Also explore by-lanes of Gandhi Bazaar filled with flower sellers and puja items. In a city that's constantly reinventing itself, Gandhi Bazaar reminds you that tradition still has a place. At the heart of Basavanagudi stands Bull Temple, one of the oldest landmarks of the city. Built around a massive monolithic Nandi carved from a single granite rock, this temple gives the neighborhood its very name. Basava meaning bull and Gudi meaning temple. For over 500 years, people have come here seeking blessing, finding peace, or simply taking a quiet pause from the city's pace. The Nandi statue is one of the largest monolithic statues of Nandi in India. Also right next to the temple is Bugle Rock Park, a patch of calm park built around some of the oldest rocks on earth. Morning walkers, birdsong, giant trees and granite foundations make a very easy opportunity to forget you're in the middle of one of the busiest cities in India. Maybe that's what makes Basavanagudi so special. We end the day on an auto ride back home and with a lot of memories from Basavanagudi.